If you're a senior looking to protect your home and your budget during retirement, a home warranty could be a valuable solution. As we age, unexpected home repairs can be stressful and expensive, especially when living on a fixed income. A home warranty acts as a safety net, covering the cost of repairs or replacements for essential appliances and systems when they break down from everyday use. Instead of scrambling to find a trustworthy contractor or worrying about high repair bills, your warranty provider connects you with pre-screened professionals and manages the repair process for you. This means less hassle, more convenience, and predictable costs, usually just a set monthly or annual fee, plus a reasonable service call charge. For seniors, this predictability is key. You can avoid surprise expenses, skip the stress of DIY fixes, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is protected. When choosing a home warranty, we believe it's important to focus on a provider with a strong reputation, clear coverage details, and a reliable service network. Standards we prioritize at Liberty Home Guard. With the right plan, you can focus on enjoying your retirement, confident that your home is in good hands.